Welcome to today's webinar. If you're running loyalty membership program and you want to create a member day sales to reward your loyal customers, you've come to the right place. I'll get you through the simple steps to create an amazing member day sales that boost sales and make your customers feel valued. Once you've logged into your EasyStore account, you need to navigate on the promotions tab here. And this is where you can create and manage your discount, including the member day sales that we are going to set today. Now click on Add Discount, and these are the list of promotions types. We have up to 10 and more in different types of promotional tools such as free gift, purchase with purchase, free shipping, whether is it based on amount spent or quantity purchases. So today we'll go with the first one. So first, give your promotion a name. So for example, since we are doing a member day sales, right? So let's go with members day sales, 20% off, for example. So this helps you to identify and letting your customers to identify that this is actually a offer for member day sales. So next here you can set, let's say, minimum purchase of one item to be entitled for these 20 products, be it by is it applied to all products, selected items only, or a selected quantity, or based on the collection it's applicable. Okay, but then today we'll go with at least minimum one item purchase. You'll be entitled for this 20% off. So here you can set whether if you want it to be a product basis or order subtotal. Normally it will be order subtotal, and since it is a discount for 20%, right, so it's not just limited to percentage, you can also select by fixed amount. So since today is 20%, so do fill in 20, fill it accordingly. And coming down here, you will have discount method. So automatic discount means to say as long as customer have logged in into their account and they are on a certain membership tier and purchase one item inside the cart, system will automatically detect it and give them this 20% off. Or let's say if you prefer customers to actually redeem it via discount code, definitely you can have it too. For example, member 20. But then we prefer it to be automatic so customers do not have to input another code just to redeem this 20% voucher. Since this is a member day sales and you want to make sure only your members can take advantage of this discount, right? So under customers eligibility here, you can select customers groups. So since you are running loyalty program, and let's say if you have separated into 3 tiering. So here we have diamond, platinum, gold, and silver. So let's say if this member day sales is only applicable for diamond, platinum, gold, and silver, you can select the eligible membership tiers to be entitled for this 20% off. And don't forget that underneath here there are some options as well. So store usage limit is referring to, for example, if you're only targeting or only allowing for the first 100 customers, you can actually select limited times and fill it 100 times. But we prefer to make it unlimited for store usage. But let's say if you have each customer's usage limit instead, meaning to say if Hui Ming sign up as a member, right, and I am either under any of these membership tiers that you have selected, I can only use it for one time. So under this situation, customers will need to log in, then only system will be able to identify that, okay, Hui Ming log in for the first time, she already used this 20% off for member sales. So for example, let's say if I go purchase for the second time, I might not able to see this member day sales already. So heading back to where you will see a short summary of the member day sales discount that we have set as well. And you have this active date. So basically you can also set the date range for this particular member day sales. So you can untick it and choose start date, end date. So maybe we start from 1st April 12/01. Let's say we select 12/01 AM until the 30th of April. So it's a 1-month basis. So for example, until 11/59, right? Oh. So once all details are in place, review back everything and click save. So you can see, right? So your member day sales has been scheduled, and don't forget to check back and monitor the performance of the promotions as well. So you can see total how many customers have actually redeemed it. And let's say if you need to make any changes, you can always click on this and click edit. Okay, you can always edit or deactivate the promotion at any time. So for example, once you have edited, you can click save and system will prompt you. So basically, once you have updated the promotion, it might have some changes on checkout, right? And let's say if you wish to turn it off, definitely yes, you just need to tick on this, disable it temporarily. So offering exclusive sales to your members is a great way to reward loyalty and boost sales. If you have any questions or need more assistance in terms of setting up the member day sales, please feel free to check out EasyStore Help Center. Thanks for watching.